going to be a quick unboxing of the new Anker Liberty Air 2 Pros. So if you look here right in the box, it's going to tell us a few key features, essentially noise canceling, Hear ID, basically it's going to map your ear, make it sound better, a clear audio call, so 6 noise canceling mics as opposed to last year's 4, and 7 hours playtime. So in the box you're going to get, as we saw, the headphones, charging case, and a charging cable. As you can tell, it's not easy to get them out of the box. They're really in there. Only way I can figure it out is pretty much ripping it open. So I grabbed my knife, which is right here, put a little slit into the bottom of them, and popped them out. I didn't hit them, it was just right by them. Now grab the old Liberty 2s right here, compare them together. The case is a little bit bigger, a little bit bulkier, but it's not too bad. Still manageable, still pocketable. Now I do like that swipe out feature. It does feel much nicer. Now as you can tell, they look pretty similar, but if you do look a little closer, you're going to see the little between the headphone and the stem, it's a little chubbier back there. It's probably for the extra mics for noise canceling and also for the clarity, but not too far off. Plug them back in. So they do feel pretty identical to last year's. Do have a nice click to them when you actually throw them in the case. So it looks like it has better contact path this time. So real quick, we're going to go into the Anker app, set it up with the new Pro 2s. Takes a second. I already paired them to Bluetooth. Pops right up. As you can see, out of the box, already needs to update, which is a good thing. They do tend to keep up to date with their product. Right here is just a quick manual that's going to come in the box. It's going to basically tell you how to go through the setup process, download the app. Next thing, basically, it's going to tell you anything else. So basically, the rubber tips, normal. And the back of the pamphlet is going to show us quick settings, basically pause, play, volume up, down. So go through the Bluetooth settings. Yep, right there. So play, pause, hang up. Next, right here, basically it's going to show us the indicator lights, what they mean, how to reset the device if need be. So firmware is all up to date, already set to go. Now I did do a quick test call with this, and they did sound actually much better on mics. Obviously more testing is going to be needed. So this is actually cool. If you do have an iPhone, you can actually swipe over. There's actually a little widget section, and actually pop up on there will be the ambient noise options. So you can go normal, normal, ambient. So it'll pop up the 3 different settings for noise canceling: ambient mode, normal, and full noise canceling. Obviously through the app you can customize how you want the sound, if you want them to sound custom like that, or if you wanted to pop, jazz, rock. That's an option. And that's it for today.